Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am sharing with you this super easy to make pattern of crochet baby headband with very beautiful and easy to make flower on it. So let's get into the video. For this crochet project, I am using a number 5 steel crochet hook which is equal to 2 mm aluminum crochet hook size, and I am using a 3-ply yarn. This is a baby soft yarn. You can use a 4-ply yarn instead of 3-ply as well. First of all, make a slip knot. Then with the help of crochet hook, we would make chains for our project. So make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, chain 5, chain 6, chain 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. We will make 11 chains. Now to start the first row, make chain 1 and then chain 2, and the loop on the hook doesn't count as anything, and first 3 chains will be counted as a double crochet. Now wrap the yarn around the crochet hook, go into this 4th chain from the hook and draw up a loop. We have 3 loops on our hook. Pull the yarn through first 2 loops and then pull the yarn through other 2 loops to make a double crochet stitch. Wrap the yarn again, go into the next chain, draw up a loop, pull the yarn through 2 loops, pull the yarn through other 2 loops to make a double crochet. Then make a double crochet into the next chain, a double crochet into the next chain. We will do 1 regular double crochet stitch into each of these chains till the end, and we will have 11 double crochet stitches including our first 3 chains. For the second row, make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3, which will be counted as a double crochet. Turn up the work now and skip first stitch, and we are going to work into this second stitch. So in this second stitch, make 1 double crochet, then make 1 double crochet into the third stitch, and we have a set of 3 double crochet stitches here including our first 3 chains. Now skip 2 stitches into the third one. We are going to make our shell stitch. So make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, chain 1 and then chain 2, double crochet 1, and then double crochet 2 into this same stitch. Now skip 2 stitches again and into the next third stitch make 1 double crochet, then make 1 double crochet into the last stitch here, and then we have chain 3, and in this third chain we will make our last double crochet stitch because this is also counted as a stitch here, and we have a set of 3 double crochet stitches on this side as well. Now make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3. Turn up the work again, skip first stitch, go into the second one, make 1 double crochet into it, then go into the next stitch, make 1 double crochet into it. After that we have 2 stitches of our shell stitch. Skip 2 stitches into the chain 2 space of our shell stitch, make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, then make chain 1 and then chain 2. Into the same chain 2 space make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2. This is called our shell stitch. So now skip 2 stitches of shell stitches into the third stitch, make double crochet, then into the next stitch make double crochet, and into the third chain make double crochet. Third row is also completed. Fourth row would be the same as second row, and third row make 3 chains. Into the second stitch make a double crochet, then a double crochet into the third stitch, into the chain 2 space double crochet 1, double crochet 2, chain 1, chain 2, double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2. Skip 2 stitches, into the next stitch double crochet, then into the second last stitch a double crochet, and then into the third chain, which is also a stitch, a double crochet. For rest of the pattern we are just going to make this single row till our required length is made. So I have made my required length. Now we will make first row at the last of our headband as well. So make 3 chains, turn up the work, skip first stitch, into the next one make 1 double crochet, then into the next stitch make 1 double crochet, then into the chain 2 space make shelf stitch by making double crochet 1 double crochet 2. Sorry, we will make the first row of double crochet stitches here. I forgot to make it because I am continuously making shell stitch row. Now we will make first row. So in the first stitch of shell stitch make 1 double crochet, then make 1 double crochet into the second stitch, and in this chain 2 space make 1 double crochet and make 1 double crochet into the next stitch of our shell stitch, then 1 double crochet into the next stitch of our shell stitch, then 1 double crochet into the double crochet stitch after shell stitch, then 1 double crochet into the second last stitch, and then into the third chain. So last row is completed. Now cut the yarn strand, pull it through this last loop, and now we are going to weave these two sides with the help of this yarn tail with needle. I am using a tapestry needle here. So with the help of needle we are going to join these corresponding stitches together. Here is our chain 3. First of all we will join chain 3 and our last stitch of the last row. Make a knot like this to secure the work as well. Join the yarn again, and you can work in both loops and only in the back loops of the next stitch and 2 loops of this base chain pattern like this, as you can see in the video. So weave all these stitches till the end and weave the yarn ends. I have woven the yarn ends and my headband is 6.5 inches. Recommended is 7 because this one is having a little bit of stretch, so I am making it half inch less than recommended size. Now I will make flower. So make a slip knot first for the flower, and with the help of crochet hook we would make chains. So make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, 5, 6 and then 7. After making 7 chains, 8 chains, we would make 8 chains first of all, and then make a slip stitch into the first chain. Now make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3, which will be counted as a double crochet. Make double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4 and then double crochet 5 into this ring. Now we have a set of 5 double crochet stitches including first 3 chains. Make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4 into the ring again. Make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, double crochet 5. Again make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, and then chain 4. Make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, 4, and then 5. Make another 2 sets of 5 double crochet stitches along with 4 chains. Now we have a set of 5. Make a slip stitch into the third chain. Sorry, we would make 4 chains first. Make 4 chains here and then make a slip stitch into the third chain. I am making a lot of mistakes in this tutorial video. Sorry for that. Now we are going to make a slip stitch into the next stitch, then a slip stitch into the third stitch, which is our middle stitch in this set of 5. Make chain 1 into the same stitch, make a single crochet like this by pulling the yarn through 2 loops together. Now in the chain 4 space, make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, double crochet 5. Now chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, make a slip stitch into the first chain like this. This is called chain picot. Now into the same chain 4 space, make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, and then double crochet 5. Skip 2 stitches into the third stitch, make a single crochet, which is our middle stitch, and we are going to make another petal in the chain 4 space. So make 5 double crochet stitches into it. I am making it a bit fast, so if you are a beginner, you can slow down the speed of the video. I am just making it a little bit fast just to short down the video, otherwise it will be too long. So make 3 chains and make a slip stitch into the first chain to make another chain picot, and then make 5 double crochet stitches in this chain 4 space again. So if you find it a little bit fast, you can slow down the video, and I am just making a little bit fast of these double crochet stitches, which are 5 in number. Skip 2 stitches and into the third double crochet stitch make a single crochet. Make other petals with the same process, and in the end make a slip stitch into the first single crochet stitch of this round. This is just a simple 2 round crochet flower. Now pull the yarn, cut it with the help of cutter, remove the extra yarn strand, and with these yarn tails weave this yarn end on these solid double crochet lines of starting and ending of this headband. You can weave it with the help of needle, and you can use glue gun to paste this flower on headband as well if you want. So do it, and I will share final pictures with you. If you find this video helpful, just give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to get more videos like this if you are new to my channel. Press the bell icon to get notifications and share this video with others in your circle.